Hi friends, Nila here. Welcome to my channel Jilgidilo. Friends, today I'm going to show you a super refreshing dish at the end. So watch this video without skipping. Then only you can understand the steps how to make that dish. Myself and my sister love it so much. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like and support me. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get new videos from Jilgilo. You know, I'm from Kerala, which is said to be a land of coconut trees. The word coconut is derived from the word cocos, which means the grinning face. You can see the image here. As a child, I used to watch my grandmother making coconut oil in our kitchen, and we will be waiting to eat a brown yummy dish. So let us start step by step. Friends, whenever we get these coconut chunks, we like to have like anything. So you must taste this. So tasty.